All right, the trailer is down at the shop getting some metal work done on it because I don't know how to do that kind of stuff. So in the meantime, I started rebuilding some of the cabinets. This is the old one. It was the kitchen close, or in the kitchen, close to the front window. It's as you can see, the plywood's all delaminated. The drawers are not in bad shape, but the front is plywood and it's delaminated too. One thing that I noticed that was kind of interesting on these is that the rail is a little bit lower than the outline for the opening, and I'll show you why that's important on the new ones. So this is the new ones. I made it out of a little bit heavier plywood, just because I wanted it to be a little sturdier. I made the drawers out of plywood, but I added a little bit of a edge at the back, and that's so that when you pull them out, it won't go all the way out and it won't fall on the floor. So I thought that was kind of neat. There's also a little cut in here, and that goes over that little edge that's in there, so that when you're driving down the road, they're stuck in there, which I think is a pretty cool idea on Piercero's part. That was pretty neat. I'd never seen anything like that before. The fronts are solid cherry. The backs of the drawers are plywood. These are the original knobs that were on there. They were completely covered in paint, but now I was able to soak them in water and the paint came off pretty easily. And so that's ready to go. And that's kind of how the rest of the cabinets are going to look too. Pretty easy to do because I have the old ones to use for a template. So that's that one. You can stop. This is the next cabinet I'm going to do. This is the one that is just to the left of the door as you come in. It holds the stove. And inside, you lift this up, and there's a metal part in here with a tray underneath to catch all the grease. When this comes down, it fits into this little slot in the front that's made by this molding, and it stays nice and tight, makes a nice top for the thing. I'll be replacing all of that, of course. This is the inside. It's going to be a pretty simple cabinet to rebuild. Just going to have to cut out three pieces of plywood, a front piece, a top brace, and the doors are going to be the one thing that I'm going to change. This is just plywood, but I'm going to make that a cherry frame with a panel inside. I think that'll look a lot better. It'll kind of set off the blonde wood of the paint of the rest of the trailer. That's it. See you next time.